Hello, my name is Eddie, and I'm a Yeti. You may also know me by my other name, Bigfoot, but Yeti's the proper name. People often call me Bigfoot because of the size of my feet. You know, if I wore shoes, I'd be a men's size 48 wide. Now that's roughly 2 feet per foot. And I'm roughly 9 feet tall. Now, in the Netherlands, that'd just be above average for my age. I like taking long walks in forested mountain areas. Alone. You know, there's been a lot of conjecture about my whereabouts and whether or not I even exist lately. And I'd like to keep it that way, quite honestly. So please don't come looking for me. I'll find you. And don't litter the forest. It shows a lack of respect for nature. And stop bulldozing and cutting down trees. It's really bad for the environment, and it's where I live. You know, to get away from humans, I've been forced to go further and further north. This means that I have to wear my fur longer. And I'll tell you something, it's really, really itchy. You know, it's also harder to find food all the way up here in North Country. It's always frozen fish. Well, I suppose I can't complain. Anyway, I'll see you around next time I wander down south, okay? Until then, stay out of my backyard.